Hi everybody. In our first video, we went through the process of creating tables. In our second mini tutorial, we worked on inserting values into those tables. And finally, we're going to wrap up with a couple of basic select queries that you can play around with this week and that you'll continue using throughout the class. So the first of those we've already done, right? So we already did select star from pets. So we've already selected everything from pets. And if you run that, you see that we have a whole series of pets that pop up here. You've got my two dogs, you've got Jill's cat, and Jim Hawkins's pet as well. So in order to specify these a little bit more, what you could do is set up some conditions, right? So we're saying select everything from pets where pet owner is equal to Rachel Williams. So we'll use my name as an example and see how that goes. And as you can see, both of my pets show up and all of their information is listed. You can also select, let's say you could select a particular column. So this might be a little further than we're going this week, but so where, let's see, pet, where birth, right? Birth is a column that we have. Pets.birth. One thing I wanted to point out is that if you start to write out table names or attribute names, sometimes MySQL will pop up it will show you what your options are, and you can just click on that particular column, which is pretty handy. So let's say where pet birth is, say less than 2006. All right, we'll see how that works. Okay, so we have pet name, and for 2006, we have the null, which is actually where we had the record for Jim Hawkins. We didn't have the pet name listed there. And then we have Nanook, which is my dog. You could reverse that by saying pet name is, or pet is born after 2006. And then we have both Fluffy and Suma that come up. So those are just a couple of ways you can play around with the select statement, which we'll continue building on throughout the class. So this is a great opportunity to go to W3 Schools, kind of comb through the different search query options that you have. And as we continue to work with this, you will get more comfortable with trying new things and specifying your query so that you can get these really nice specific answers to the questions that you're asking of the databases that you're creating.